Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Imran and I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. I have completed my BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from BVRT College in the year of 2019. So after completing my graduation, I was struggling to get a job in IT sector, but due to COVID-19 situation, it was very hard to find the job. At that time, I got to know about this eVision Technostar Private Limited. So eVision Technostar Private Limited is basically IT recruitment and consultancy company which provides job-based internship program to students with 100% placement. So I joined eVision in the month of February. So after joining this internship, I got some real-time exposure and experience in the core technologies like CCNA, routing and switching, virtualization, and Windows administration and cyber security, etc. So in each module, we have different trainers to teach, like Roshan sir, Bibhushit sir, Rahul sir, and Manu sir, and Tarun sir. In CCNA routing switching module, I learned about networking basics, IP addressing, subnetting concepts, and I also learned about which cables are used in network. And I also learned the configuration of static routing and dynamic routing protocols such as RIP, EIGRP, OSPF, etc. And I learned about WAN technologies, PHP authentication, CHAP authentication, etc. Then I also learned about access control list and NAT, that is network address translation, and switching concepts and VLAN, etc. In Windows administration module, I learned about administrative tool like event viewer, task scheduler, local user and group, device manager, disk management, defragmentation, and also about password policies. Then I learned how to do OS backup by using recovery drive, and I also learned how to secure the drive with the help of BitLocker. Then I learned about Windows Server 2012 R2, about workgroup and domain environment, and how to create new user and the process of domain joining, etc. And I got to know about the roles in server like ADDS role, Active Directory Domain Service role, DHCP role, DNS, and WDS, etc. Then I also learned how to install the Windows in the domain network through Windows Deployment Server, that is WDS. Then I also learned about mailing system and about MS Outlook and mailing protocols like IMAP, POP, and SMTP. And I also learned how to configure it manually and automatically. Afterwards, I learned how to take remote access with the help of RDP. During this internship, I also learned different troubleshooting techniques for different issues like BSOD error, system hanging, driver issues, and black screen, and incoming and outgoing mail sending and receiving issue. Then about PST backup and restore issue, and then creation of new PST issue. I think every practical was equivalent to IT company experience. Now I feel 100% confident about each and every concept that I have learned during this job based internship program of CCN and Windows administration. After every weekend, we have a mock interview sessions in each module, which help us to boost our confidence to crack the real-time interviews. Now I am ready to face real-time interviews, and I'm pretty much sure that I will clear the interview in my very first attempt. Finally, I want to thank all the trainers and eVision Technostar Private Limited company for creating such platform. Thank you so much.